If you're currently getting the error 0x800b0101 on your Windows 11 PC, then I'm going to show you step by step how easy it is to fix this. So guys, in order to fix this issue or fix this error, you want to go ahead and take a look at your time and date. If that is any off in any way, that could be the reason why you're getting this error. So in order to fix this, go ahead and open up your time and date. So you can simply right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and go to settings. From here, on the left hand side, you want to click on time and language and then click your date and time. Now from here, you will see if you have your time set manually or if it's off in any way, such as time zone, whatever it may be, you want to go ahead and change this as well. So you want to ensure that your correct time zone is selected, and you want to go ahead and easily change this from manual to automatic. So you want to go ahead and click on automatic, and you want to ensure that you click sync now. Now, once you click and sync now, you should realize that your time and date is automatically updated to the correct time. And this will go ahead and ensure that you're all in sync with time, date, and for your location as well. Now, the next thing you want to do, click the Windows key on your keyboard and type in WS reset. And once you type in WS reset, simple click run, and you will see that it opens up. You do a quick run in the command prompt. There it's a simple flash, and then you will realize that your Microsoft Store opens up and working fine. And guys, that's it. That's how you can go ahead and fix the error 0x800b0101 in Windows 11. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.